Ants are some of the most industrious creatures on Earth, living in complex social structures where every member has a vital role. From worker ants tirelessly foraging for food and building intricate tunnels, to soldier ants protecting the colony from predators, each ant contributes to the survival of the group. They communicate through pheromones, creating an unspoken language that helps coordinate their efforts. Ants are also remarkable survivors, adapting to environmental challenges like floods by forming living rafts or slowing down their metabolism during droughts. With their teamwork and adaptability, ants have become one of nature's most successful and enduring species, playing essential roles in ecosystems around the world. And an ant colony. Each member plays a specific and vital role that contributes to the survival and success of the entire colony. These roles are divided primarily among three types of ants: workers, soldiers, and queens. Here's a breakdown of each. Worker ants. Worker ants are the backbone of the colony. They are responsible for most of the colony's daily tasks, including foraging for food, caring for the queen's offspring, building and maintaining the nest, and defending the colony. Worker ants can be further divided into different castes, such as minor workers, who handle smaller tasks, and major workers, or soldier ants, who take on more physically demanding duties, like defense. Soldier ants? Soldier ants have a more specialized role. They protect the colony from predators and threats. These ants typically have larger heads and stronger jaws, which they use to fend off enemies. In some species, soldier ants may also guard the food supplies or participate in group attacks on prey. They rely on the workers for food and care, but they are crucial for the colony's defense. Queen ant. The queen is the reproductive heart of the colony. She is the only female ant in most colonies capable of laying eggs. Queens can live for many years and are responsible for producing the next generation of ants. In some species, there may be multiple queens, but typically, only one queen lays eggs at a time. The queen's primary job is reproduction, and her success is crucial for the colony's growth and long-term survival. Ants face a variety of challenges in their environment, but their ability to adapt is one of the key reasons for their survival. Here are some of the primary challenges ants encounter and the ways they adapt. Predators and threats. Challenge ants are constantly at risk from predators like birds, spiders, other insects, and even larger animals. Adaptation. Many species of ants have developed defensive strategies, such as soldier ants with powerful jaws to fight off attackers, or even chemicals, like formic acid that they can spray to deter predators. Some ants also rely on teamwork, where workers will swarm and defend the colony when under threat. Food scarcity. Challenge. Finding enough food is essential for the survival of the colony, and periods of food scarcity can be deadly. Food scarcity. Adaptation. Ants have evolved to be incredibly resourceful. Worker ants can travel long distances to forage for food and communicate its location to the rest of the colony using pheromones. During lean times, ants can store food in their nests or even tend to aphids, farming them for honeydew, a sweet substance that provides nourishment. Environmental conditions. Challenge ants face environmental stresses like extreme heat, flooding, or drought. Adaptation. Some ants are able to adapt to harsh conditions by changing their behavior. For example, when facing floods, certain ant species will form living rafts, linking together to float to safety. In drought conditions, ants can slow their metabolism, conserving energy until the environment becomes more favorable. Some species even build deeper nests to escape extreme temperatures. Competition from other species. Challenge. Ants often compete with other ant colonies or animal species for territory, food, or resources. Adaptation. Ants have developed unique strategies to defend their territory, such as aggressive territorial marking with pheromones or even engaging in ant wars with other colonies. Some ants, like the Argentine ant, form supercolonies that can stretch over vast areas, allowing them to dominate and overwhelm smaller colonies. Others practice cooperation with other species to form alliances or mutually beneficial relationships, like tending to aphids or protecting plants in exchange for food. Reproduction and colony growth. Challenge. For a colony to grow and survive, it needs a consistent supply of offspring. But reproduction can be risky, especially during mating flights where the queen may face predation or environmental hazards. Adaptation. Ants have adapted by timing their mating flights to coincide with favorable weather conditions and using pheromones to guide queens and males to each other. Many ant species also have multiple queens in a single colony to increase the chances of successful reproduction. Through these various adaptations, ants have evolved to be resilient and highly effective in overcoming a range of challenges, ensuring that their colonies thrive in diverse environments across the globe. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible world of ants, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends so they can discover how these tiny creatures thrive against all odds. And if you have any thoughts or questions, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.